Hi, friends, and thanks for coming for some more math. It's one of my favorite subjects, so thank you. Hopefully you have your Snowflake Math worksheet. We're going to do that today and a pencil. We're going to be looking at broken snowflakes. Do you see how some of my snowflakes are broken? And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the parts and we're going to put them together to make the whole snowflake. And we're going to be counting the points of the snowflake, okay? So we can see how many parts make the whole snowflake, okay? It'll be kind of fun. We'll get to see how much a whole snowflake points are by doing a little bit of math. It'll be great, okay? All right, so let's do the first one, okay? And I'll show you the points that you can see. So the snowflake here is broken and it's got points on the end here that kind of look like those little loops. So we're going to count them and then we're going to write the number here, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you see that? Do you see the 3 points? Okay, so let's write the number 3 there, okay? There. So if you remember how a 3 looks, you can write it yourself, or you can always look here and see. I'm going to be writing it with you, okay? All right, let's do the next one. So once again, we have the other part of our broken snowflake, and we're going to be counting those little loops. Those are called the points on the snowflake, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 3 again. Practice writing number 3 another time. With numbers and letters, right, you practice writing them over and over again because we use them so much. So it's a wonderful thing to just keep practicing as we go through all of our exercises. There's the whole snowflake with all of its points. Let's see how many points it has all together. Okay, I'm going to start over here at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 points all together. So the 2 broken pieces of 3 and 3 make 6 for the whole snowflake. Isn't that neat? So this snowflake has 6 points, but when it gets broken up, we have 2 parts of 3 and 3. Cool. Okay, so let's try the next one, okay? All right, so we have our broken snowflakes again, which will make a whole snowflake, and it has the points that it has. But I'm gonna make sure to just count the points. So those are these ones that are kind of coming out of the middle, okay? All right, let's try to count them. 1, 2. 2 points. Okay, so let's try the number 2 here. Remember the number 2. If you do not, then there is a number 2 for you to see. Okay, now we have the other part of our snowflake. Remember, we're just going to be counting the points. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. 4 points. Wonderful. And there is the number 4. Do not write the number 4, or you can look here and see how. Okay. Now we have our whole snowflake. We've taken our broken pieces and we put them together, and let's count the points. I'm going to start at the top. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Oh, 6 again. The 6-point snowflake. And most snowflakes are 6 points, so that makes sense, right? So 2 different snowflakes, they look different, but they have the same number of points. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's do our last one, and you guys get to see. Oh, it's broken again, but we'll see how many this whole snowflake has, okay? Let's start here. Once again, they actually look like little Christmas trees, right? So we're just going to use those as our points, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, this part has 6, which is actually the whole of the other snowflake. It's a lot of 6 today. I'm learning how to write the number 6, which is awesome. Okay, let's look at the other part of this snowflake, okay? I'm going to start here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, the number 4. Okay, let's see if we can write the number 4 here. 4. There, the number 4. Awesome. Okay, so let's count our whole snowflake with all of the points and see what it is with the 2 broken pieces put together, okay? Well, I'm going to start at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, 10. Now that might have been a little tough for you to count like that in a circle. So you can practice it a couple times. It was 10, right? 10. So I'm going to write 10 here. If you remember, you can write it, or you can see how I'm writing it, and then you can write it after me. Perfect. Okay, so there's 10. Yay, awesome. So we did some writing, some counting, and we have our beautiful statements here. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And we have all of our parts and wholes. And what you can do is you can practice reading the sentences, you can practice counting, and you can practice learning, oh, these two parts make this number. And that's kind of a neat thing to remember to keep in your memory. All right, guys, so I hope you had fun, and I will see you for more math again soon. Have a great day, everyone.